Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a voice AI agent that's able to send confirmation texts, SMSs, and reminders, and then even go ahead and send a Google review request upon booking in an appointment. And by the end of this video, you have a completely free voice AI agent template and guide that you can go ahead and implement into your own workflows or own clients' businesses completely for free. So yeah, without further ado, make sure you subscribe, download to get the template, and yeah, let's get right to it. To be using Go High Level's voice AI agent feature within inside their platform to create this voice AI agent. And then we're also going to be using Go High Level's automation platform and automation feature to go ahead and send confirmation SMSs and reminders. And then I've also got a automation that I use as well to send Google review requests. So I'll show you how that all works. I'll walk you through it step by step with inside Go High Level. So right here, we're inside the voice AI section inside Go High Level. We're going to go ahead and click create new agent, create custom agent from scratch. And then from there, it's going to allow us to customize our AI agent. So right here, I'll put the name in. Business name is going to be, I'm doing this for a med spa. So I'm going to come back up here. Again, this is the prompt that I've already pre-built. If you do want this, go down below in the link in the description, subscribe, and then download to get that template as well. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that inside the name of the business so it knows the name. Voice right here. We'll just leave it as Jessica because they use 11 Labs voices, so it's quite good. And then from here, we'll just go ahead and put in the business name and customize that. So yeah, we've got the business name, the language, the voice, and then the agent's initial message. So each time someone calls up this voice AI agent, it's going to say this initial message every single time. So yeah, we've got that right there. So we can go ahead and click next. Again, we're using Go High Level. It makes it really easy for you to create, your first AI agent within inside the platform as well, completely for free as well. If you do want to go ahead and sign up to Go High Level, you can using my link below. Yeah, and then we're going to switch it to advanced mode. So this is essentially going to allow us to customize the prompt, the actions within inside the agent, and a few other things. So again, from here, I'm going to be using the prompt that I've already built for this agent. So getting this and copying and pasting it. And then I'll run you through the prompt quickly. All right, sweet. So, okay, from here, you can see we have the role. So first of all, the role is defining the role of the AI agent. So we're saying you are Emily, a receptionist for, in this case, a med spa. Your persona is calm, professional, knowledgeable, and reassuring. Your primary function is to provide seamless, high-end booking experiences that reflect the spa's brand. So again, making sure the AI understands its role and a little bit of context within the business. And then from there, we have the task. So your main task is to guide the client through the bookings process in 3 simple steps. Greeting the user, checking for available appointment slots, and then booking the appointment. So this is the primary task of the AI agent. And I like to split this up into, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step process. So the AI agent knows how to conduct its task in this manner. So number 1 is greeting and service inquiry. Greet the caller warmly, stating your name and the spa's name. Number 2 is check availability. So checking availability within inside a calendar system. So once you know the desired service, ask the client for their preferred date and time, and then use the book appointment action. So again, we're using actions in High Level down here to check the available time slots. So again, High Level doesn't have a check availability feature inbuilt. So again, we're using the book appointment feature, which allows us to check the time slots. After a successful booking, provide a final confirmation message and ensure them that they will receive the confirmation SMSs shortly. Actually, no, that's book appointment, sorry. So use the book appointment action to check the requested time of the customer. If their preferred time is available, then proceed to the next step. So again, proceeding to the next step, which essentially is just going to use that book appointment tool again to book the appointment within inside the calendar. And then from there, we've got a little bit of context. So I've just said, Agent Wellness and Med Spa provides a premium service. So giving a little bit of context about the business and, telling the agent why the caller is also inquiring as well helps the conversation and helps the prompt as well. And then from here, we have an example conversation / scenario. So again, I've got a little bit of context for the AI agent, how to conduct the scenario. So again, we're also using brackets for these tools so the AI agent knows when to run the tools. Again, if you just go ahead and download this template, everything will be in here, so you can just copy and paste it within High Level. And then from there, we've just got important notes. So just letting the AI agent know, to be conversational, keep the responses short, 2-3 sentences max, add natural speech fillers like when appropriate. So just making the conversational really natural sounding and conversational when communicating with the caller. And then from here, we have setting up some actions. So all we're going to be setting up today is just going to be a book appointment, as this purpose of this video is to show you how to send SMSs and confirmation reminders. So I'm going to go ahead and select med spa appointment. I'm going to knock these down just to 2 days. So the AI agent is only going to suggest 2 different days and 2 different appointment slots per day, just to make it pretty short. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for the prompt. Again, really easy. So now the AI agent is able to book in appointments and check availability. And then I'll also just put in my email so you can go ahead and see how it can send transcripts and post-call email notifications as well. So go ahead and flick that on. We're going to go ahead and click next. And yeah, the agent is pretty much all ready to get set up. So I'm just going to go ahead and click save right here. So that agent is all set up. So now we're going to go ahead and go over to the automations tab back here. And yeah, let's set up a new automation that allows us to send confirmation SMSs. So I'm going to go ahead and click automation here. Come down to inside this folder where I do all my demos, create workflow, start from scratch. And then the trigger of this workflow, we're going to name it MedSpa confirmation and reminders. Awesome. So, okay, click save there. Always making sure we're saving the workflow. Add a new trigger. The new trigger is going to be appointment booked. So customer booked appointment, filters, select in calendar, and then the calendar is going to be a MedSpa appointment. So each time someone books an appointment, it's then going to send and trigger off this automation. And then from here, we're going to add an SMS. This is going to be the first confirmation SMS we can have with inside confirmation SMS 1. And then from here, we can customize this SMS based on the contact's custom values. So for example, right here, we've got, hey, contact first name. This is a confirmation reminder that your appointment is at. Hey Ashton, this is a confirmation reminder that your appointment is at, and we can go down, go to here, appointment, start date, time. We look forward to seeing you there. Again, you can obviously customize this SMS, but I'm just showing you how you can send these SMSs. So you can say, each time it's going to say for the person who booked the appointment, so hey Ashton, this is a confirmation reminder that your appointment is at whatever start date time. We look forward to seeing you there. So from there, we're going to go ahead and click save, come up here, and then we'll add one more SMS. So essentially going to be a reminder SMS. Actually, we need to add a wait step. So wait, and then we'll do wait before 24 hours. So again, sending a SMS 24 hours before the appointment. Click save. And then, so again, after it sent that confirmation, it's going to wait 24 hours before the appointment, send an SMS, and we can say, hello. Again, putting the contact's first name. This is a reminder that your med spa appointment is at appointment, start date, time. Just a reminder that your med spa appointment is at start date, time. We look forward to seeing you there. Awesome. So now that's going to be that 24-hour reminder. Again, you can customize this SMS with inside high level. So yeah, that's going to be a basic workflow. So now the AI agent is there to send confirmation SMSs and then confirmation reminders as well. And do let me know if you do want to see a video like of me building off Vapi or retail to book appointments in. I can also do that as well. But for now, we're going to leave that. And then we also need to make sure that this is confirmed. So I'll come down and turn this off because this was another one I was testing out. Turn that off here. And then we need to make sure we publish this right here. Save. So now that will trigger and that'll be all good. And then the final thing that we'll need to do is we'll go ahead and come down to the reviews as well. So this is an automation we're going to be using to conduct the reviews. So essentially, I'll show you how it works briefly. This may look a little bit complicated, but it's just a lot of repetitive steps that I can run you through. But yeah, essentially all this workflow is doing is whenever someone books an appointment, it's going to trigger it. So just like it did previously in the workflow. Oh, sorry. I opted out of that. Sorry. Come back into it. Yeah, so again, essentially what this workflow is doing, each time someone books an appointment, it's going to trigger it. And then from there, I would usually add a wait step in. So we can do wait, and then we can do after 1 hour. So essentially, it's going to wait 1 hour after the appointment and then send the review, because obviously we need to send a SMS after the appointment has been completed. But for the purpose of this demo, I've actually deleted this step so you can see how it will send the SMS, and then I can respond, and then how we can set up an automation to only filter out responses that is 4 and above, if that makes sense, which I'll show you how that works. So this is essentially what I would do in this step, but I'm just going to leave that out. So yeah, and then from there, it's going to send an SMS. So we can say right here, thank you for allowing, Royal Touch Therapy. I'll add in Asian Med Spa. This is another one I've done. Okay, perfect. Add that right here to aid you in your self-care. If you could rate your experience 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, what would you rate your experience? So again, asking for a rating between 1 to 5. And then from there, if they do reply, it's then going to go down this path right here. So if it's a 1, it's not going to send a review, in short, but we've got some automations. Again, if you do want to download this automation inside High Level, you can have a look at it. So yeah, 1, 2, and 3 is not going to get a review request, because obviously we don't want someone to leave a bad review. We only want someone to leave a review 4 and above. And then if it is 4, it's then going to send an SMS with the review link. And then also, if they don't click that link, it's then going to send another follow-up SMS to say, hey, we saw you rated your SMS 4, could you tell us why, or something like that, right? And then, yeah, so again, it's going to send another confirmation reminder. So if it is clicked, it's going to send, thank you so much for leaving a review. And then if it's, not clicked and they haven't clicked it, it will just send a reminder. So that's essentially what it's doing. And then, yeah, the same thing goes for number 5. It's going to say, thank you. Are you willing to share your experience with us? And then from there, if it's not clicked, it's just going to do the same thing. So again, it is a little bit repetitive, but that's how it is in High Level Ads. We're not using any AI here. It's all logic-based automation. But yeah, that's how all those different automation branches work. And then from here on this side, this is essentially just a follow-up sequence. So for example, if they do not, what we're going to do is we're going to wait 30 hours. And then if they haven't responded within 30 hours, it's just going to keep trying, and it's going to keep sending these SMSs 3 or 4 times trying to get a review. So yeah, that's all that's happening down this side. But yeah, this is just an overview of the automation and workflow. But yeah, now we can go ahead and make sure that is all good. And yeah, we can go ahead and test the AI agent so you can see how it's going to work. So let's get into that. So I'm going to go ahead and add my number in here. I'm going to call it, and then you can see how it's going to trigger all those automations. So I'm going to go ahead and add it in here. All right, give it a call. It will call me. Again, this is how you can test the agent. You can see right there, it's calling me.
Hey, you have reached Elysian Wellness and Med Spa. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you going? I'd just like to book an appointment. What availability do you guys have over the next few days?
All right, here are some available appointment slots over the next couple of days. On Thursday, the 14th of August, at 9 a.m. or 1 p.m. on Friday. The 15th of August at 9 a.m. or 1 p.m. Let me know if any of these work for you, or if you'd like to hear more options.
Yeah, let's do Thursday at 9 a.m. I think you said the Thursday option.
I see we have your email as ashtonboss47@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yep, that's correct. Yep.
You're all set for Thursday, the 14th of August at 9 a.m.
As you can see, it booked it, and then I'll just wait until we get the SMS. Right there, we have that SMS. Awesome. And then we have the confirmation reminder. So you can see on my phone right there, we can see we have a confirmation SMS, and then we also have the review link that I just showed you. So yeah, so that's how you can send SMSs. Of course, if you do want this AI agent template, it'll be completely for free down below. Download the prompt, download the workflows, everything. You can import it into your high-level account. But yeah, again, if you are a business owner and you are looking to implement some automations or voice AI automations just like this into your business, feel free to go ahead and book a call in the link in the description below, and we'd be happy to answer any questions and help you out. But yeah, without further ado, that'll be it. Thanks.